Hi fam, welcome to my channel and to today's video. Today I'm here to share with you how I made this DIY anti-breakage herbal hair mist. And this is a very great hair mist that helps to moisturize your hair and also prevent breakage. If this is something you're interested in, definitely watch this video till the end and please do subscribe. Thanks. So the main ingredients I'm using here is a leave-in conditioner, and this is this kind 2 leave-in conditioner. I also have here my Herbal hair rinse. This is a very good product, and it is a favorite of mine that I use. And I also have Ambunu extract, a very great extract for this recipe, and also my Germal Plus, which is a preservative. Now to begin with, I just take just some amount of the product, which is the leave-in conditioner, and I'm adding about a teaspoonful of this leave-in conditioner. I'm not going to be making a lot. I'm going to be making about 100 ml, and so yeah, that's it. And the next thing I add is water. So I'm adding 50 ml of water. Now I add water to it just to help this mix the living conditioner. This can be quite hectic to do. So if you have a more runny living conditioner, it will help. But this is what I have, so this is what I'm using. And so the next thing that I do is to make sure that everything is mixed in there, and you can see it is, and it's quite runny. So the next thing I do is also to add my herbal hair rinse. This is my favorite herbal hair rinse because it's very beneficial. Contains a lot of herbs that helps to prevent breakage and also to help with hair growth. So I put about 100 ml of the herbal hair mist into the products, and then I mix it up. You can see I have some stuffs in there that is more of the leave-in conditioner, so I really have to mix it up for it to um be dissolved. So what I'm doing is just mixing it with my hand mixer, just to make sure that everything in there is like very smooth to be able to transfer into my hair mist container. Yeah, so as you can see, the whole thing is quite dissolved. You can see, and I do have my hair mist here. This is a very great product. I have used it, and I use it on my hair. So the next thing here I'm adding is my Ambunu extract. Ambunu is a very great one, and it also helps to detangle hair. And you can see from what I'm pouring out, I'm just adding a tablespoonful of the Ambunu. You don't need to add a lot because Ambunu has this effect that it will help to detangle in the end. So what you do is just make sure you mix it up, and you can see it looks more smooth. I don't know how to describe it, but more like slimy. Yeah. And the next thing I do is to add my liquid Germal Plus. This is a preservative to help preserve the product for a long time. And I like to add the preservative because I want my products to last. I don't want to be doing this stuff all the time. And so I add about 1% of just a preservative into my products. And then this is what I have. This is a very good stuff. You can use it to moisturize your hair before maybe you shampoo, or maybe as just a daily moisturizer. It really works, and that is why I want to show you how I do it. So this can be used in place of any other mist that you have. Maybe a store-bought mist that got finished and you want to replace it. Just try this at home and let me know. So this is it actually. This is my old one. The older one had the sticker on it just to identify it, and just to show you that it is the same thing. Yeah, just the same thing. And I also want to show you how I use it on my hair. So this is what I have, my hair mist, and usually I use it before after I have shampooed my hair as part of my regimen. So just use it as a hair mist to moisturize my hair, and then sometimes I also use it as a re-moisturizer. So maybe I feel like my hair feels dry, I just go ahead to use this in my hair. What I've noticed is that my hair feels a lot stronger, and my breakage also has also reduced. I mean, my shedding and also breakage. And so I think you should try this stuff. It is really helpful, and it is really nice, and I think you should try it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like it, please do click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and also on the notification or the bell button to be notified whenever I upload any of my videos. And I will see you same time next week with another one. Hopefully it's going to be a product review, but let's see. Thanks a lot. I'll see you next week. Until then, bye.